Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, let's get back down to the nitty gritty here. All right, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be making some chicken burgers. Okay, as you can see, I have a grater here. This grater, okay. What I'm gonna do, I got me some frozen chicken breasts. All right, it's already been cleaned and washed and frozen. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take it and just start shredding it. All right. This is the best way. If you can make a burger, I mean, you have chicken laying around, instead of going buying it, you can do it just like this. Okay. So I'm gonna finish up all this chicken breast here, get it all shredded up. So I want y'all guys, please stay tuned. Be right back. All right, everybody. I got the chicken breast all shredded up, as you can see right here. Okay. What I showed you in the beginning, how I was grinding the chicken breast. Well, I had to use my electric one because it was just going to take me too long. So, without further ado, let's get making these chicken patties. All right, healthy way of eating. Okay. Okay. The first thing, I'm using a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise of your choice. I'm using 4 tablespoons of minced onion. I'm using 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And I'm also using 1 clove of minced garlic. Okay. And I'm also using, what is this here? 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're gonna go in order the way I just said it. So first thing start, let's get the breadcrumbs going in here. Breadcrumbs makes us a binder. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am actually using about 2 pounds of chicken breasts. All right. Okay. Next thing, I want to get some moisture to it because there is no fat to this chicken breast. So I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Get my mayonnaise out as best as I can. You know, you adjust as you go along. If you feel like it's not moist enough, go on and add some more mayonnaise to it. All right. So we got that out of the way. Let's get in here and start mixing. All right. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about a half an hour once I get everything all mixed up. All right. But I'm going to make my patties first. Then I'm just let everything all, firm up. Which I think it took that long because my hands are freezing now. Okay, now I'm going to add, I said what? 2 tablespoons of 4 tablespoons. You know what? I like onion. This is about 4 tablespoons here. 1 small onion. It already smells good. But I'm not making hamburgers out of patties. I'm making them small because this is a healthy way of cooking, making these small little burgers. But I'm gonna make them pretty small, and everybody should get at least 2 of them. It'll go on a bed of lettuce and some tomatoes and avocados. All right. This all combined here. Oh, yeah. And also remember, I'm adding the parsley now. Remember, chicken is done at 165 degrees. All right, you don't want to undercook it, You want to cook it properly so you can actually enjoy it. And your family or your friends or your guests can enjoy it. Oof. I have to switch up hands. This hand is frozen. right. Oh, this is gonna make some good patties here. Woo! I like the consistency. Yep. Now I'm gonna add my minced garlic. Minced garlic. I am adding one garlic clove or minced garlic. Get it all nice and mixed up. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Well, make sure you wear gloves. Do it with your raw hands. Just make sure you wash your hands very well. All right. Okay. Now we're going to add the paprika. There we go. All right. Got to get it in there. I gotta alternate the hands. Hands cold already. All right. Now the last ingredient is the salt and pepper. So I'm gonna put this in, and I'm gonna finish mixing this all up. And y'all guys stay with me because this is gonna be some good eats. Be right back. All right, I got it all mixed up right now, okay? Smells fantastic, fantastic. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wrap this with some plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour, let all the flavors marry together, and we'll be back to make the patties. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, it's time to start to make these patties. All right, I'm not making these patties too big, all right? I'm just making it where that a good portion for one person, okay? So, get a little mix here. Now I'll show you exactly what I mean. I like the texture of it. Something in this fashion. So I put the thumbprint in. And what I'm gonna do with these here, I'm gonna freeze these. I'm gonna cook some, but I'm gonna freeze most of them for later on use. All right. Now remember, I'm using 2 pounds of these chicken. And remember, the temperature internally for chicken is 165. You want it at 165, at least 165 or more. Uh-oh. No problem with this one. Nope, I can always make it again. Now, if you don't have rubber gloves at this point right here, you know, you can coat your hand with oil so it won't stick to your hand. Yes, indeed. Another pretty one. Thumbprint there. All right, now let me just keep on going. But I am going to cook up 2. All right. Let's see if I need to change the recipe, the seasoning, or just leave it. All right, so I'm going to finish up the rest of these here, and once I finish up, we're going to start cooking some. Be right back. All right, let's get to cooking these chicken burgers. All right, so what I'm going to do now, a little oil down here, not much. Get it all spread around. All right. Got that taken care of. Got to the side here. Let me get 2 patties. Here's one. And I'm going to take this one. And here we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now remember, you're going to cook these to about 165 degrees. Nothing less. Chicken is done at 165 degrees. If you don't have a probe, you should get one. They come in handy for right now. All right. And I use the Blackstone. All right. Have the probe at the end, or you can do infrared to tell the temperature of the griddle itself, or any pot, boiling water, whatever, and so on and so on. All right, so I'm gonna let these cook up, and once I'm ready to flip, we'll be right back. All right, it's time for the first flip. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, just let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. I'm also going to show you a trick, and the trick is don't, but there you go. So let them cook. They will cook, steam up and cook. Now you can cook them like that. You know, you want to keep shooting water under it. I mean, like, you can just go like this. Keep steaming them. All right, so that's a little tip right there for you. You can even do that with hamburgers. You can do it with anything. All right, anything. All right, we'll be right back when they are done. All right, okay, these chicken patties are actually done. They're way over 165. I think I saw it at 175 and 180. All right, and I'm serving them over a bed of lettuce and some tomatoes and some croutons. All right, so let me get it all set up, all said and done. Let me get it set up, and I'll be right back. All right. But right here, what I have here, I have creamy Caesar that I'm gonna use on it. All right. And I'm just gonna give it a nice drizzle. That's about it. All right, so let's get the cutting into this chicken. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so freaking good. This is so good, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, it's unbelievable. Wow. I mean, it takes a little time to make, but it's very delicious. I'm not just saying that, but I wouldn't give anybody food that I wouldn't eat, but this is freaking delicious. It's so moist with that mayonnaise in it. And I get a little hint of the garlic. But it's a perfectly balanced chicken patty, the flavoring. Well, I want to tear it up, but I can't tear it up on camera. So I'm going to say bon appetit. All right. Try this recipe. Give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. I'm guaranteed you will love this. But you don't have to freeze your chicken breast. You can buy it, the chicken breast. I mean, the chicken, ground chicken already ground up for you to make it easier for you. But I use 2 pounds. I will put the recipe in the notes in the description so you can follow it. Very simple. And I see y'all guys on the next video. Later.